Today we've got a 2015 model Toyota RAV4. It's got the 2.2 diesel engine and roughly 83,000 miles on the clock. As part of the service on this Toyota today, I'm going to be changing the air filter element, which is inside this box here. Right, I think I'll start by just giving this cable a bit of slack really. I might actually unplug it, get it out of the way. That's if that will remove. Yeah. So yeah, you've just got that little tab there to push down. I tend to push the plug on while I'm pushing it down. It just releases a little bit easier. That's out of the way. We've just got these clips to unflip. I think there's probably one down the back. Oh, maybe not. Oh, it's got a couple of lugs which just locate into these slots. And there's the air filter. Yeah, that definitely needs changing. So as you can see, slightly different air filter. It'll do the same job. Just a different brand, I guess. So this one is an aftermarket one. This one is too, but slightly different. Hopefully it'll fit. Hopefully this one will fit. Price-wise, you're looking around about £10 to £15 for one of those, an aftermarket one. Good idea to check in that air box before you put the air filter in. As you can see, a few dead insects, a bit of dust. You can clean it out with a vacuum cleaner. Luckily I've got a blower, although it's going to go everywhere. That's it. Right, let's see if this fits. No, not very well. No, that's not right. So we'll have to give the parts department a ring and probably give them the numbers off of this one actually. See if they can cross it over to the correct one. So sadly, I can't get hold of a new filter today. I'm going to have to put this one back in. I've given it a bit of a bang out and got some of the loose debris out. We're going to have the car back tomorrow to replace it, but I'll show you how it goes back together anyway. It's quite simple. It's quite simple. Oh, that's it. So I've got to try and get these lugs back in the slots down the back there. That's it. Push the airbox down and pull all the clips back on. Not forgetting the wiring loom. Just push that in until it clicks and push your two wiring loom clips back in. That one's been a bit awkward. Oh, that's it. There we go. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully the video's been of some help for you. And if it has, please consider hitting like and subscribe. It will help our channel out no end. Cheers.